back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Now, this one is for my United States folks only, and it is in the customer service field, so it will require talking on the phone. But if you do not mind customer service, it actually pays very, very well. But the credit card company American Express is hiring virtual customer care professional. And that is exactly what it sounds. It is a customer service rep for their card line. You'll deliver world-class customer service by explaining related benefits and responding to customer inquiries and concerns over the phone. Of course, you'll be on a computer documenting the necessary information such as claim details, customers' change of details, and other information. You'll enhance the customer's experience through personalized service. You'll make sure you have those active listening skills on and problem solve their problems. You are required to meet and exceed quality and productivity goals, so there will be some kind of standards that you have to meet. Now, they do not require very much experience. No college degree is required, only a high school diploma, and they only require 1 year of customer service experience. Of course, 2 years is preferred, but it is not required. Only 1 year of customer service experience is required, and customer service can be any customer service you've done. It doesn't necessarily have to be call center. They do need somebody who has great verbal and written communication skills, great customer service skills, someone who is self-confident, a critical thinker, and a quick learner. Now, if that sounds like you, I do believe that they provide all the computer equipment for you, because it says they work through the Bring Your Own Internet program, leading me to think they provide everything else for you. Now, they are trying to hire for a start date of January 23rd, 2023. So if you're interested in this, get those applications in because they'll be starting to interview relatively quickly. But the pay for customer service is very, very good. Of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience, but they pay anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $33.65 an hour, and that's not all. They also offer bonuses and benefits. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. If you've made it to the end, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.